Okay, I've been hearing a lot of people talk about maybe Taiwan will try to, China will try to take Taiwan. Well, folks, it's not that simple, and let me tell you why. They have to move at least 1 million troops across the water and land them successfully. And, this article right here is Taiwan can win a war with China, and Beijing boasts it can seize the island easily. The PLA knows better, People's Liberation Army. And let me tell you why this is. And I'm tired of preppers talking about it. This, like, doing the, what if they take Taiwan? What if they take Taiwan? Okay, let me tell you something about Taiwan. First of all, there's a lot of water between here and there. Okay? All of Taiwan is within 528-mile reach of China's. You got it right there. Okay? Now, the problem with this is that most people don't know this fact, and I wish these preppers that were sitting there spouting their crap out would actually do some research. You got to look at the water across that they're going to have to go across, put an invasion force across in the first place. And 1 million-man invasion force is not an easy task to begin with. But the treacherous conditions in the Taiwan Strait. Now, I want you to see the suitability for amphibious operations. January, poor. February, poor. March, maybe. A good time is in April because there's a low waves and wind conditions. And then the other time, because all these other times, you're looking at strong storms and typhoons and rain and heavy fog and really high waves. And it says storm seasons, gales, plum rain, typhoons, and then right back to gales. The only time that the Chinese could actually launch an invasion force against Taiwan that would be safe and reasonable enough would be on April in month of October. There's 2 months where they got the possibility, if they were going to go for it, that's when they would do it. So I don't want to hear any of these preppers that keep trying to scare y'all with a bunch of stuff like that, saying, what if they take Taiwan? They keep saying that, and it drives me nuts because they don't do their research. They don't know anything. There's only 2 months out of the year that China could possibly launch a successful invasion against Taiwan, and that's between April and October. Those 2 months. Anything else between that is a no-go. Maybe be lucky to do it in March or May, but not any of the other months except for October. See where it says good here? Suitability for amphibious operations? Good. So the possibility of China trying to take Taiwan with all this confusion in Europe happening right now is nada. There's no way they're going to try it in May, late May, early May. If they were going to go for it, they'd go for it in April or they'd go for it in October. So I hope you all learned something. And next time you hear one of these prepping channels screaming out, oh, what if China takes Taiwan? You can respond to them with some reasonable facts that April and October are about the only months that they could successfully do it. And the manpower and invasion force would have to be massive. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you learned something from this video.